Hello, and welcome to this presentation. This is my final speech, and the subject is things I want to do when the lockdown is over. My name is Nikolai Dalen. Just a short introduction. The whole world is suffering from coronavirus right now, and it is a pandemic. We're all in lockdown in our houses, and I know everybody is start to be tired to be in the houses. Everybody is daydreaming about what they're going to do after the lockdown. And when that's said, you start to speculate what you have to do, right? But hold it back for a minute, because right now I just want to talk about what I have planned. A short agenda. First, I want to talk about my family get together. I want to talk about visiting my grandparents, MC trip to Norway, vacation in Mexico, mobile trip, and friends. First of all, I want to talk about something that is really important to me. This is my family. Uh, on the top picture you see, this is my whole family. To my parents' silver wedding, where we were scattering about 100 people. Some of that I really miss. Um, and this is some of the thing I really wanted to do when the lockdown is over. Gathering some friends and family and just be together with them and having a great time. Uh, at the right side, you see my nephew. His name is Vilas, and I really hope to celebrate his 1 day birthday here in June. So that's one of the things I really want to do when the lockdown is over. Visiting my grandparents since I came home from Mexico and started to be in lockdown. I have just seen them from a far distance. I really look forward to give them both a big hug and spend a lot of time with them as well. My grandmom suffer from dementia and having a hard time to remember stuff. I know she don't have much time left, so I really want to spend as much of time as I can with her. So that's also one of the things I really want to do when the lockdown is over. I really want to take a trip to Norway on my motorcycle. Since I got my driving license to my motorcycle, I just wanted to explore Norway with the twisted roads in the mountains. My parents have been there 2 years ago, and that was actually recommended to me to go up there. And I think I will go there with them because they have a bit of experience to go up there, and they know what's good to see. But it is just amazing to go there and see the view and see the nature. It's one of the things I really want to see. Next, I will go back to Mexico, of course, because it ended so fast. I didn't have the chance to go there, the places I have planned. I have planned two trips to Cancun. At the same time, I was also planning to go to Tulum. But in Cancun, the plan was to go to see some of the parties because I've heard it's a nice experience to see because there's really a lot going on with the clubs and the big beach parties as well. Um, and the second thing, I will go to Tulum because they have a lot of nice beaches and they have like this exotic theme in some kind. So I really also want to experience that. I also want to go to Guadalajara. I got it recommended by some friends that have been there, and they said it was so amazing to see all the attraction in the city, and it's just an amazing place to be. Uh, and last, I want to go back to Monterrey. Um, Here today, I'm standing in my Monterrey football shirt, and this really means a lot to me that I have planned to go back to Monterrey because it have make a big affection on my life. So I really want to go back there, visit some of my friends, be together with them, just to see them all again, because everything just ended so fast, and I really want to get the chance to really say bye to them because I didn't have the chance because everything was going so fast when we were traveling home. Um, Next thing is that I want to go to on a moped trip um, on my Pugmaxi. This is I have like an old moped, and it's from 1970 or something like that. And I'm going on a trip with one of my friends from Mexico. I was in Mexico with his name is Søren. We'll go on a moped trip together with 10 or 11 other guys on our old mopeds, and we'll bring our tent, chair, beers, and just having a tour around the country to see like the Danish areas and the forest and this kind of thing, just to go out on the trip. We have already planned it, and it's going to be start of July. So hopefully the lockdown will be over there. Hopefully. And the last things I want to talk about is that I miss my friends. I really miss my friends. I miss to be together with them to go on a restaurant. I miss to go with them to a bar, clubs, festivals, you name it. I really miss to be social with them. Um, every year I'm going with some friends on camping, and after that we'll go to a great beach party we have here in Denmark. But this year is cancelled, and I have a streak on 10 years actually this year. So I'm a little bit sad that I'm going to miss it, but I really hope we can figure it out to do something special anyway. Um, and last things. I will just say thank you for listening to my speech. I hope you're all safe and keep your head up. It will soon be over. There's light in the end of the tunnel. We will all be soon free, so just go for it. And the only recommendation I have to you, when everything is over, remember to enjoy every day and every moment. Please. Thank you.